In today's episode, AXIS M10 network camera. So, stay tuned. AXIS M1065-LW is an indoor network camera that features wireless communication 802.11 ABGN at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. Supports microSD card for edge storage. It has a built-in microphone for recording audio. Mini speaker that can announce pre-recorded messages. PIR motion sensor for detecting movement even in the dark. The WDR-enabled camera offers 1080p resolution at full frame rate, day and night functionality with a mechanical IR cut filter and IR illumination up to 10 meters. It has horizontal field of view 110 degrees and vertical field of view 61 degrees. Finally, camera comes with 3-year warranty from AXIS. Hello and welcome to Poseidwn Tech. I'm Theo, and in today's episode we will review AXIS M1065-LW network camera. AXIS M10 comes in this box. AXIS M10 series consists of 3 models. This one is the M1065-LW. Let's unbox it. Inside the box you will find the network camera, the mounting bracket, and the power supply. AXIS M10 is a small camera. On the front of the camera there is the focus ring, the IR LED, PIR motion sensor and speaker. On the bottom, the status LED. On the left side, the SD card slot. On the back, the network connector and the power connector. On the right side, 2 buttons. One is the control button and 2 wireless LAN pairing button. This is the mounting bracket with a tabletop stand. Slide the camera onto the mounting bracket. The mounting bracket is optimized for wall and corners. For desktop mount, you can use the tabletop stand. For the recordings, I will use the AXIS Companion 64GB microSD card. This is the microSD card. So, let's start with the installation. Insert the microSD card into the microSD card slot. For the initial setup, we will use an Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into a switch network port and the other end into camera's network port. This is the micro USB power supply. The power supply supports different international plug adapters. Connect the microUSB Type-B to the power connector. Attach the mounting bracket. Finally, plug the power supply into an AC plug. The status LED will be steady amper during startup. After startup completed, will become steady green for 10 seconds. Now go to axis.com and log in with your AXIS credentials. Go to Learning and Support, Software Download. Find the AXIS IP utility and download it. Agree with the license agreement. Open IP utility. Here you can see the IP address of the M1065-LW camera. Open a browser and type the IP address of the camera. Give a strong password. I don't want to share data with developers. Press Create Login. Sign in with username root and your password. Choose power line frequency according to your region. I'm in Greece, so I will choose 50 Hz. Press Next. For now, I will choose automatic IP and DNS. Adjust your time settings. Press Next. You can select between white and black theme. Press Done. Go to Settings, System, and Wireless. Press the arrow to scan for wireless networks. Select your wireless LAN. Give your password and press Save. Now we don't need anymore the Ethernet cable. Camera is ready. Back to Settings. Go to Storage. From Tools, select Format. Format the SD card using ext4 file system. Go to Maintenance. The firmware of the camera is the 941. Let's check if there is a newer one. Search for M1065-LW. Go to Support and Documentation. Download the latest firmware. Press Select File. Choose the firmware file and press Open. Press Upgrade. The firmware upgrade has been completed. Now let's go to audio. Camera has a built-in mini speaker for pre-recorded messages. For example, from YouTube Audio Library, go to Sound Effects and search for Police Siren. Download the MP3. Open Help and go to Audio Output. The audio formats that are supported are AU and WAV. In order to convert the MP3 to WAV, go to g711.org. Upload the Police Siren MP3. As output format, leave standard definition WAV. Set volume to maximum and press Submit. Download the converted file. Back to camera settings. Press the gear button. Upload the new clip. Press the play button. Here are some samples from real installations. I will use this power bank in order to make the M1065-LW camera portable. Although camera is for indoor use only, let's test it also outside. Let's see how to reset the camera to factory default settings. Disconnect power from the camera. Press and hold the control button, which is button number 1. Reconnect the power. Keep the control button pressed for 15 to 30 seconds until the status LED flashes amber. Release the control button. The process is complete when the status LED turns green. That was AXIS M1065-LW network camera, and is for sure one of my best choices for indoor use. With AXIS cameras, I am using AXIS Companion video management software, so please check my step-by-step tutorial on YouTube. And if you want to discover more features for AXIS M1065-LW, check my ISC Smart App tutorial. At this point, I would like to thank CPI, the AXIS products distributor in Greece, for their technical support. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next episode.